everybody? Welcome back, man, to the channel. If you're new, be sure to subscribe, and if you're not subscribed, you're an idiot. Get subscribed. Doing that nighttime POV for you guys. It's a little wet outside, but it was raining earlier, so I'm hoping that the rain dried up, and you know, I'll be able to do some hooning. That's what y'all call it, right? Hooning. So we're gonna do this little nighttime POV, ride around, see what's out there, see what I see, and yeah, a lot of you guys like the daytime POV, so we just gonna keep it going, man, before the snow hits, you know. Streets don't look too bad. Highway should be pretty dry and available for some pools. So I'm still on wastegate, still on 93. I'm actually trying to get the 93 out the tank. I'm planning on going to the track this weekend, so this is why I'm doing it. I want to get a nice drive in tonight and burn up some of this 93 so I can be ready for the E85 and ready for some track events, for some transmission tuning and some other stuff. So my dudes just hit me up too. They talking about some we need to get on 2K Pro-Am. I said, man, I just left the house, man. What y'all think, man? Should I go home? I just left the house. What y'all think, man? Should I go home and jump on some 2K? Hold on. I think I see a Beamer. Oh no, it's like a truck. Never mind. False alarm. Now if it's an AMG, it might get down. It might get down. If that's an AMG and it's tuned, it might get down. I'm trying to see what's going on tonight. It's still early, man. It's only about 8:30. So I'm not expecting too much, but you never know. You never know, man. Thing just floats down the road, like it's just effortless. I need to get a radar detector. I think that's gonna be my next investment for next season, a radar detector, and I mean, for obvious reasons, right? I don't know which one I want though. If you got a radar detector, man, and you recommend the one you got, drop it in the comments. I need to do some more research, because I want to get a radar detector, you know, just to have one, man, just for a peace of mind, you know what I'm saying? I need something that's easy to read, that doesn't give me false readings. I don't need no $60 radar detector going off every time someone is using their car's hotspot Wi-Fi wireless bullcrap. Got me slamming on the brakes because a Honda Odyssey is coming up on the side of me. I don't want that. You know, the colder it gets, the less people come out. I'm still gonna be out, but nice little Beamer. Old dude though, I don't think he get down. I don't think he down the race. What y'all think, man? I don't think he got it in him. Stop. Let your bed friend drop. That's an Audi S-Line. Let's see what he want to do. Third gear. I'm waiting on him. You gonna go? He ain't go. Or she, I don't know. if I can find something else, man. Oh, now, look, now you want to go. Got it. No way, buddy. Hey, I'm always ready. I'm always ready. You thought I wasn't ready? Oh, you can go ahead now. You good now? Go ahead. Don't fly past now. Yeah, buddy. Take it back to the dealership. Boy, trying to fly past me. Y'all see that? I knew it. I just know it. I know when people want to get down, man. I just know it. I got the eyes for it. He's trying to wait till I fell asleep. No way. I'm always ready. You ain't about to sun me. That's how you get sun. If you get sunning is just like that dude tried to do. He's trying to sun me. That's what it is. When you try to somebody try to blow past you, or they rhyme you, right? Then they get over to the next lane and punch it. They trying to sun you. You ain't about to sun me, buddy. I'm ready. Yeah, I'm always ready. That was a good try though. I knew he wanted to get down. I knew it. He just didn't want to line up straight with me. He knew what it was. Sucker. I'm turned up now. I'm juiced. I'm juiced. Yes, I know it was a stock car. I ain't that juiced. But it was good though. You know what I'm saying? He's out here just, you never know though. That dude could have been on a big turbo. You know what I'm saying? I could have got walked. I ain't turned up. Look at that view, man. I love this. This is one of my favorite views, man, coming downtown, man. Daytime or nighttime. Well, what I was gonna say was, when did it become okay for manufacturers to start putting in HID headlights? Like, at one point in time, those were reserved for like the upper echelon, there it is, upper echelon of vehicles. Like, when I see HIDs in my rearview mirror, I'm thinking something nice, something fast. Well, now I see HIDs in my rearview mirror. It's a Toyota Corolla. Right here, right here. Look, this Corolla right here. If I look in the mirror, I don't know if you guys can even see it. It's right there. It's got HID lights. I'm thinking that's something nasty. Case in point, on the money. That's crazy to me. They should have halogen lights, all yellow. Only cars that have HIDs are the upper echelon of vehicles, man. Supercars, fast cars, cars with some horsepower. Something special. I'm thinking I got a Chevy SS behind me. Meanwhile, it's a Malibu. What am I doing with that? Man, I wish all this was just green. Everything was like, just like, open. And you just floor that, you just, all the way down here. That'd be nice. Maybe I'd do that one day, man. Just straight down this bitch. Hey, what was up with that Audi though? I think it was an Audi. I think it was an Audi. Is it Audi or Audi? I don't know. Boy, thought I wasn't ready. You must not know, baby. You must not know. Got some Challengers in the Charger. Oh yeah. Hey, what you want to do? Oh, he turning, man. Turning, man. He turning. I'm trying to hit that freeway. It's right here. Where he going? Ain't shit to do. It's Tuesday night. Wow. This has got to be the slowest way to get on the exit ramp. On ramp. I want to race something foreign, man. What them M5s, M6s at? The 600 horsepower ones. What them at? Well, there's a car behind me with some HIDs. Let me see what it is. Let me slow down real. Oh man, ain't nothing, man. Another Corolla. Look, dude. Another Corolla. That's that bullshit. That's what I be talking about, man. Fuck. That is that straight up garbage. Damn, I thought that was something nice. They gotta change that. So we are a little bit under half a tank. Doing good. 107 miles to empty. Ended up driving out here, man, to the airport, man. If you ever fly into Cleveland, this is where you gonna go. Cleveland Hopkins Airport. So you got a upstairs and a downstairs. What you wanna do, buddy? Let's take it on home, man. Let's take it on home, y'all. Let's hope I catch another unsuspecting driver trying to sun me. I can't believe that, dude. I'm still tripping on that one. That's gonna be on my mind for a minute. The boy thought I was sweet. Huh? What you doing? That boy Jeremy. Hey, okay then. I wonder how he knew it was me. He must have called Real. I'm about to call Real, man. The Real out me, man.
Yeah.
I can hear you now. What's going on, dude?
What's up, man?
Hey, what kind of car Jeremy got?
He ain't got no car like that. Got a normal regular car.
I know. What is it?
Got a Malibu or something. No, not a Malibu. Volkswagen, some shit. I don't know.
No, it's a Malibu.
No, his girl got a Malibu.
Yeah, okay. He just pulled up on me.
What car are you in? Oh, he just calling me right now.
I'm in a Mustang. I'm trying to figure out how.
Oh no!
I'm trying to figure out how he knew it was me. I figured he called you first.
No, he literally just clicked my line just now.
Oh, okay. You want to click over?
What happened?
Well, I passed him, and then he pull up next to me, ride next to me for about 5 seconds. I finally look over, and I can't really see him. I see the glasses, bald head, and the beard. I'm like, hold on. I roll my window down. I'm like, oh shit, what up? He like, hit that bitch, hit that bitch. Mind you, it's raining outside, it's drizzling. So I give him a little, you know what I'm saying? I give him a little song. But I was trying to chop it up with him, but he pulled off. Yeah, but that was it though, man. But I hit you up though. I'm about to finish this little video. All right, man. Yeah. Hold on, somebody coming up crazy right here. Oh, Camaro. It's too wet. It's too wet. Should I go for it? It's too wet. I gotta be responsible. I gotta be responsible, man. It's too wet. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up, man. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a comment, drop a like, and subscribe, man. Turn that notification bell on. I'm gonna be doing more of these until the snow hits. So, turn that bell on. Run these likes up for me. 20 likes. Can I get 20 likes on this video, man? Let me get 20 likes. I think it'll be my first video. I'm asking for likes, but run the likes up, and we're gonna do it. We're gonna do another one real soon. I'm wondering if you guys want me to talk about a specific topic during my POV. Drop the question in the comments below, man. Drop a question. Drop a couple questions in the comments if you guys have questions on my build or anything, man, you guys want to pick my brain about. Just drop it in the comment section. I'm gonna read it, and on my next POV, I'll make sure to answer those questions, and we'll have a good conversation as best we can, a one-way conversation as best we can. So until next time, man, I'll catch you guys, man. Take it easy.